We begin the virtual tour of the Santarelli wood shop. We'll start with the Hitachi scroll saw. Very useful piece of equipment if you're doing intricate cutting, radiuses and whatnot. Then we move over to the workbench where I do most of my assembly of putting together my little projects. And of course, the wall of tools. Ha 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 ha. Tools, tools, and more tools. And there's all my screws, miscellaneous paint and stains and glues and cleaners and whatever you could possibly need for that. And then you come over here and you got construction adhesive, my torches, all my chalk for my chalk lines, and my Porter Cable biscuits and whatever. Tons of stuff there. Then we move over to the belt sander, combination disc sander, and it's on a hinged, as you can see from back here, a hinged table that folds down. You take them two legs out, it folds down, and then you have total access of the grinder to sharpen out my blades and whatever. There's Johnny Vice, and then you move over to the back of the shop here. Turn the lights on so you can see. And you go to the Hitachi, or the Rigid, I should say, slide compound miter, 10-inch, phenomenal tool. One of my best tools that I have in my shop. And you move over to the drum oscillating drum sander. It's an excellent tool also for doing intricate sanding work, whatnot. And that's my shelf with all my screws, nails, staples, and up there you got blades, more cleaner, sanding discs, all my sanders and sanding, more sandpaper, sanding discs, and all that stuff, more sanders for the other tools, for my Multimax and whatnot. And here's the crappy table saw. This is the worst tool I have in my shop. It will be replaced eventually. It's a crappy Ryobi table saw. Gets the job done though. And move over to the Ryobi planer, which is cheesy, sort of a cheap planer, but it definitely gets the job done. And it's good enough for me. It's on a rolling table like most of the stuff in the shop. Rolling table. Move over to the air machine. This is the blower for the shop. Blower system. It's got all the hose, goes to all over the shop. And what?